In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with Bankwest App Online 2025. We'll keep this simple and clear. You're going to do two things. Choose the card that fits your needs, and then begin the application either in the Bankwest app or on their website. Let's walk through what that looks like and what to watch out for so everything goes smoothly. Start by comparing the card options on the Bankwest website or within the app. You'll see choices like the Zero MasterCard, which is designed with no annual fee in mind, the More MasterCard, which focuses on earning rewards on your everyday spending, and the Qantas MasterCard, which lets you earn frequent flyer points. Think about what matters most to you. If you prefer a low ongoing cost and simplicity, a no annual fee option can be appealing. If you love collecting points, look at the rewards earn rates and how you plan to redeem them. For frequent travelers, earning airline points might be the most valuable. Also take a moment to review the key facts on each product page, things like rates, fees, and any promotional offers, so you understand how the card works over time. It's worth checking eligibility criteria and important documents on the product page so you know you're a good match before proceeding. Once you've chosen your card, tap or click Apply Now on that product's page. If you're already a Bankwest customer, log into online banking through the app or the website. This allows the system to pre-populate parts of your application, which can save time and reduce data entry errors. If you're new to Bankwest, you can still apply online without logging in. Just follow the on-screen prompts. As you move through the application, accuracy is your best friend. Make sure your personal details, address history, and employment information are correct and match your identification. Having your ID and income details handy can speed things up, but only enter information directly into the form. Don't share it anywhere else. Read each page carefully, especially any explanations about how your information is used and what you're agreeing to. If something doesn't look right, pause and review before advancing. A quick tip before you proceed. Applying for a credit card typically involves a credit check, which is recorded on your credit file. Apply when you're confident the card suits your needs, and avoid submitting multiple applications at once. If you need more time to compare, that's okay. Take it. And that's the process. Choose the right Bankwest card for your situation, then start your application in the app or online, using your login if you have one to streamline the experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.